life.
So there are 5 types of chands, okay?
Okay.
So one is a Rai Chand, right? The person who only gives you advices, right? And somebody will come and give you an advice in how to build a house. But the moment you ask that person कि भाई साहब आपने अपना घर कैसे बनाया, so the first response will be अरे सर मैं तो किराए के मकान में रहता हूँ. Right, so those are Rai Chands, people who have never built a house in their entire life themselves or know nothing about it.
सब लोग को राय देते रहे.
But सबको राय देंगे वो. Okay, so those are people you got to be very very careful about. The second type of chand that comes into this being is hukam chand.
Okay.
जो they seem in their own mind and to the others who are slightly elevated from these Rai Chand people. They consider themselves a notch higher. कि oh, these are people who give advices, we just give orders कि ये कर देना. You know, so that is a hukam chand, the person who's just given a order. So you know, so these are 2 chands that you be very very careful about. The third chand that comes in is the Gyan Chand, you know, who thinks themselves कि अरे ये hukam chand और ये Rai Chand, you know, they are both fighting. Let them be. Let me open my own school and my own Pathshala, which is Gyan. You know, so they will start quoting the various books and so on and so forth. And then the first thing you ask them कि साहब आपने कितनी बार पढ़ी है उस किताब को? अरे मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है पर मैंने सुना है. So they think themselves to be the biggest Gyanis of this entire universe, and they'll be the Gyan Chands of life. The fourth chand that you got to be very, very careful of is the Hushyar Chands, who think that these 3 are absolute fools and the only thing that one knows is me because I'm the most clever of the lot. So I'm the Hushyar Chand. So इसे Rai Chand तो राय देगा, हुकम चंद हुकम देगा, ये ज्ञानी ज्ञान चंद वो बात करेगा. इन सब का great granddaddy is me and I'm Hushyar Chand, you know. So he will be a mixture of all those 3, the fourth one. So the idea is not to be any of the 4. The idea is to be the 5th, which is Karam Chand. You do your business, you do what you need to do, and you be happy with it, and let all these 4 chands live in their own delusionary world and not bother, and you keep doing your karam, as they say. नियत जिसकी अच्छी है, किस्मत उसकी दासी है, कर्म जिसके अच्छे हैं, उसके घर में मथुरा काशी है.
Wow. Is that the advice you got from your family?
Yes, in a nutshell.
Okay.
So if you would have asked me what does it mean, explain it to me, then this is what the explanation is. You
reverse
know?
answer.
So not to be any of these people, but focus on what you need to do and be the Karam Chand. Chand bano, but Rai Chand, Gyan Chand, होशियार चंद, हुकम चंद, ये चंद नहीं बनना है. अपने को करम चंद बनना है, जो इंसान अपने कर्म पे ध्यान दे, अपने मकसद पर ध्यान दे और उसके ऊपर चलता रहे.
You're a direct descendant of Maharana Pratap. So do you think that this is the message that's been passed down the generations also? That
Absolutely.
Okay.
There is no question about it. You know, at the end of the day, it's a message that is going to be passed in any family that is conscious of doing the right thing.
Right. Execution.
Yes. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been floating on this planet for 1500 years.
So what is your, life's most impactful 3 movies which have had like the deepest impact on you as a person?
So the first film is called Dosti, the second film is called Dosti, and the third film is called Dosti. It was shot in the 60s, and it's a fantastic